The holidays are in full swing here at Camp Griddlemore, so it is time for our first ever holiday gift guide on this show. On today's episode, we are going to do 3 gift sets and a smorgasbord of smaller gifts. The first gift set is based around the Blackstone 17-inch E-Series. The second gift set is based around the Blackstone 14-inch camping griddle with side burner, and the third gift set is based around the Blackstone Leggero pizza oven. So let's get camping and let's get cooking and let's get some of our holiday shopping done. All right, Camp Griddlemore, the idea here is to have these larger gift sets. They'll make a really nice big gift for somebody that you love this holiday season. So the first gift set I'm gonna recommend is the Blackstone 17-inch E-Series with accessories. I love this griddle way more than I ever thought I would. I use it all winter long on the weekends to make big breakfasts for my kids at home. It runs off 110, that's why it's called the E-Series. It is a non-stick surface that is super easy to clean, heats up nicely, and this thing is just an absolute beast for breakfast. So if you get someone this as a holiday gift, you also want to get them some of the cool accessories so they're all ready to go. So I would recommend this 3-piece griddle kit because we don't want to use metal utensils on the non-stick surface on the E-Series. So this 3-piece set comes with 2 spatulas and a pair of tongs, which are super useful. And then I also recommend this griddle scoop. This is great if you're making taco meat or something like that. We've used this at Camp Griddlemore over the course of the summer. Also, this spatula mat is great. I use this at home on our countertop. This mat allows me to keep things kind of neat and tidy as I cook. This would make an awesome gift for that griddler who's put their Blackstone away for the winter and is feeling kind of sad. This will allow you to keep cooking on the Blackstone all winter long at home, right in your warm, cozy house. For our second gift set, I want to recommend the Blackstone 14-inch camping griddle with side burner. We have been using this for 8 months here at Camp Griddlemore, and I love it more and more every single time I use it. Having a griddle and a side burner is a powerful combo, and you can cook up just about anything at the campground. So if you're going to get this as a gift, I would also recommend getting these accessories to go along with it. Getting the Blackstone omelet and egg rings is going to be a wonderful addition for delicious omelets and for breakfast sandwiches with the egg rings. I would also recommend getting the Blackstone collapsible basting dome. This has been a real MVP here at Camp Griddlemore. We have used this over and over again. I would also definitely recommend the Blackstone 5-piece griddle camping kit. This is going to come with 2 spatulas, 1 scraper, and 2 squeezy bottles, which you can use one for your water and one for your cooking oil. This is super nifty. And again, we don't want to use metal spatulas on this camping griddle. I would also recommend getting as a little stocking stuffer these tiny Camp Griddle grease cup liners, which work really well on this camping griddle. Stick this in your loved one's stocking to give them a little bit of a hint about the awesome gift that you've got waiting for them under the tree. For our third gift set, I would love to recommend the Blackstone Leggero portable pizza oven. I love this thing so much. We have been making delicious pizzas on this thing here at Camp Griddlemore. You can make up to a 12-inch pie. It is powered by propane. It's got a rotating stone. This would make an incredible gift for somebody in your family that loves making pizza and wants to bring that hobby to the campground. And if you're gonna get the Blackstone Leggero, there are some really awesome accessories I would like to recommend too. These pizza peels are perforated and they work perfectly, and they're also good for a little bit of ping pong or pickleball, and they're the perfect size for the Blackstone Leggero pizza oven. You can get it in black or with an orange handle. I kind of like the orange one. I would also like to recommend this Blackstone pizza dough box. This has great storage inside for up to 6 pizza doughs, and you can also put some of your accessories in here. This has been super nifty for me as I've been making pizzas at the campground. I love these Blackstone pizza cutters. They're kind of ninja style. They work really great. They also come apart and are actually pretty easy to wash. And then I would also recommend this Blackstone temperature gun. The Leggero gives you a temperature gauge up here on top, but I think you also want the temperature gun so that you can get the temperature of the pizza stone, which is really, really important when you're making pizza at the campground. This would make an incredible gift set for the griddler in your family that wants to up their pizza game at the campground. All right, Camp Griddlemore, if you are looking for some smaller gifts or some stocking stuffers, I've got a few great recommendations in that department too. First of all, I would love to recommend this Blackstone utility apron. I'm wearing my green apron today because I was going for a holiday look, but this is my favorite apron. Shows off that I'm a Blackstone fan when I'm cooking at the campground. Second gift idea are these griddle gloves. These are great like when you're seasoning your griddle, or if you're cooking pizza and putting pizza in and out of the Leggero. These are good when you're dealing with super, super hot surfaces. They're very, very cool looking, and they are pretty comfy and cozy. I also love the Blackstone 3-piece coffee kit. Any coffee lover in your camping family would love this as a holiday gift. It comes with the bean grinder, it comes with the filter holder, and it comes with a nice camping mug. This is a really cool set, would make a great holiday gift. I'm also a huge fan of Blackstone cutting boards. I think that they're attractive, I think that they're aesthetically pleasing, and they're a great value. They're very affordable, and they come in different sizes. You can get a small cutting board, you can get a medium-sized cutting board, or you can get like a much larger cutting board, which might be good for home. So no matter what size cutting board you want, Blackstone has got options, and I love the price points. Thank you so much for joining us for our first annual holiday gift guide here at Camp Griddlemore. If you want even more great Blackstone gift ideas, check out Todd Tobin's gift guide over on Let's Give It a Try. He's got a completely different list of great Blackstone gift ideas. And if you need help finding any of these items and figuring out where you can purchase them, hit me up in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you locate places where they are on sale this holiday season. Thank you all for watching, and we hope to see you all at the campground. Happy holidays, everyone.